Whether you're charging on the go or at home, cover your bases with the Projecta charging range. For vehicles with a Type 2 socket, there are two Type 2 cables, a single-phase cable for 7 kilowatt charging and a 3-phase cable for up to 22 kilowatt charging. Their 5 metre length ensures flexibility when you park up to charge. If your vehicle has a Type 1 socket, you cover two, with a Type 1 plug for your vehicle, a Type 2 plug for your charger, and a handy 5 metre cable. You can now charge your Type 1 vehicle from any Type 2 charger. Hang up your cable on the sturdy wall hooks, grab your travel charger and hit the road. With a Type 2 plug on one end and plain old wall plug on the other, you're good to go wherever there's a standard power point. No more range anxiety. Cover all bases with the Projecta charging range, available at Supercheap Auto.